Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning photo aura edit using CapCut. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so just follow along and let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then just create new projects and then import the photos that you want to use. Any number will work. And then you can also add your favorite music right away. And once your photo and music are in, we're ready to start editing. Next, just go to second clip or second photo and then just duplicate it like this. And then change it to overlay. And then just place it on top of the first clip like this. And then adjust the durations as you like. I will adjust it to 1 second like this. And then just tap on remove background, just remove the background. I will choose auto removal like this, and then now let's animate it. Add keyframes at the beginning and at the end of the clip like this. And then at the first keyframe, just move the photo down so it's out of the frame like this. And then between two keyframes, apply graph and then choose flow 2, this one, like this. This will give your photo that floating aura effect. And once the animation is smooth, just add effect and then video effect, and then just search for vortex dissolve, this one, like this. This effect will make the transitions between clips super magical and dynamic. And finally, just repeat this step for all your other clips. And okay, your video will look like this. Okay, that's it. Now you have an amazing photo aura edit ready to share. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.